scale measuring of hydrogen ions concentration. pH scale measures acids, nutrients, base. So now I am going to explain about the measures of pH scale. The pH scale is rated up to 0 to 4, where 0 to 6 are acids and 8 to 14 are alkali or bases. And where 7 is neutral, for example pure distilled water. This pH scale was discovered by a scientist called Søren Peter Sorensen in the year 1909. So this is used to measure the acidity and basicity of a substance.
This is an pH paper. By dipping this in the solutions, we can know that is the solution is acid, neutral or base. Now I am going to dip this pH paper in the spirit. Now I have dipped this paper in the spirit, but the color has not changed. It's in yellow color and the number is 6. So the indicator 6 is in the acid. Now this spirit is an acid and which is weak acid. Thank you. Now I am dipping this pH paper in Ujala. It is somewhat near 12. 12 is a base. Now I am going to dip this paper in tomato solution.
Dip this beet.
It is still now yellow color. It stands for 6. So 6 comes under acid. It is weak acid.
This pH paper is very good. In this case, so it is around 4. Means 4. The weak acids. Now I am dipping this pH paper in milk. It is 5. 5 means it is acid, it is weak acid. Thank you.
Now I am dipping this pH paper in shampoo water. It is 6. It is a weak acid. Thank you.
I am going to dip this pH paper in soap water. So it is around 10. 10 is an basic, it is weak acid, weak base.
So I am going to dip this pH paper in paste. It is around 8. It is weak base. Now I am going to dip this pH paper in blue. It is number 6. Number 6 means it is weak acid. Now I am dipping in the curd pH paper. the base. 6 is the acid. Now I am putting this pH paper in solid water. It's yellow color. It is weak acid. Now I am putting pH paper in solid water.
Hey everyone, this is Barry from 10th standard. I am here to explain about the importance of pH and acidates. The pH level of the normal rainwater is 5.6. When the pH level increases above the 5.6, it will cause the acidates. This acidates will consist of the sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. When this nitrogen oxides reacts in the air, which consists of water, oxygen and other chemicals, this will form the acidic pollutants. This acidic pollutants will cause the acidates. These acidates are very harmful. When these acidates will flow into the rivers, the pH level of the rivers will decrease. When the pH level of the river is decreased because of the acid rains or acid water, it will cause the damage or the unsurvivable problems to the aquatic fishes or which are living in the rivers. And if we come to these acidates are very harmful because it consists of many acids like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Thank you.
I'm Rishika from class 9. Now I'm here to say about importance of pH in our digestive system. So first of all, our stomach produces hydrochloric acid. So the main role of hydrochloric acid is to digest the food and helps in killing of bacteria and pathogens which enters with food. And along with hydrochloric acid, our body produces pH also. In our body, pH ranges from 1.5 to 3.5. If pH is more in our body, it leads to overgrowth. It leads to heartburn like acidity and stomach ulcers, mainly alkalosis. And if the pH is less in our body, it leads to indigestion and overgrowth of bacteria, mainly acidosis. So, the pH should not more not less, it should be balanced. If pH is balanced, it prevents the physiological processes like oxygen delivery into tissues and maintenance of normal blood pressure, etc. So, coming to the point, when we take food, when the food is indigested, our stomach produces too much of acid. So it causes pain and irritation. So to get relief from this pain, we use antacids and ENO, etc. By taking these antacids, these antacids neutralize the excess amount of acid produced from our body and gives relief from the pain.